Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Microsoft Store not opening fix in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Reset and repair. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Store uninstall command from description and paste it. Store reinstall command from description and paste it. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scano. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.